What's up, guys? How you doing? It's Sutek, and it's 2:56 p.m. on, I was about to say Tuesday, Monday, the 23rd. Bakkt day. Bakkt went live yesterday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and is live, and very lukewarm response so far. It hasn't been a big response. Very low volume. It's the first day, of course, we know that, but as of now, there's very little volume. Each contract costs 1 Bitcoin, so you need a lot of Bitcoin to actually participate. But a very lukewarm response so far for Bakkt. And if you go onto Twitter, the responses are really a mixed bag of hyper negative to overly positive to a lot of Ripple shills, XRP shills. There's people saying that XRP is the real coin, this, that, and the other. I'm like, who are these people? Is Ripple just paying Twitter bots to basically stand for Ripple on Twitter? Because that's what it seems like. I really don't know what to call. I don't know why Ripple is being shilled so hard, because it's not doing anything. So this very weird kind of campaign going on Twitter for Ripple, but the sentiment is pretty negative. I would say it's probably more 60 to 70% negative, versus maybe 30% positive, 20%. There are a lot of scam accounts that popped up, it seems. People Bakkt/something.com or Bakkt-something.com, but I don't know. I don't know what this means. Like, Bitcoin has gone down since yesterday. So, as of now, it's at 98.10 on Bybit. BitMEX is probably very close, very similar, and then everywhere else is very similar. So it's actually gone down since 9 o'clock last night. So I don't know, guys. What do you think about Bakkt? I mean, where is this going, and where is this going to take Bitcoin? And is Ripple really a replacement or an alternative to Bitcoin? I don't think it is, because like I said in the last video, when we went to transaction data, Ripple was not there. I mean, Ripple was not at the top. So, that's that. Now, I do want to talk about Coinbits and how you can start rounding up Bitcoin and accumulating Bitcoin. And, this says Wales, Upper Austria. It says U.S. only, but I think it's really anywhere that has a bank that can connect to it. So, I mean, really, you got to sign up and see if your bank connects. And now here's the thing. If you sign up using my link, this is only through my link, they'll give you $5 in Bitcoin for free. All right, just for linking your account, signing up, you get $5 in Bitcoin as a reward. So, getting into Bitcoin, very easy. You want to invest in Bitcoin, very easy. Just sign up to Coinbits through my link below, and sign up, connect your bank account, you'll get $5. That's simple. You will not get it if you sign up on their regular domain, coinbitsapp.com. You have to do it through a referral link. So that's the only caveat with that. But like I said, I've been talking about this for a week. I've used this for a couple months, and it's really simple, really reliable, and really powerful, because they give you a lot of options. You can 5x your roundup rate, 10x. You can just invest an amount without rounding up. You can just put in $500 every week, or $100, or $10, whatever you want it to be. And you never touch Bitcoin. So you don't have to worry about losing it. You don't have to worry about forgetting what your passphrase is. You don't have to remember any of that stuff. They hold the Bitcoin. When you want your money, you get US dollars back. And that's it. Very simple. But anyway. So guys, check that out. Sign up for that today. Don't wait. Do it now. And tell me what you think about Bakkt. What's the future looking like for Bakkt? Let me know in the comment section. Peace.